Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is first video of the year. We are here back in Slovakia on the Slovakiaring, and we are having the first ride of this year, of the season. And let me tell you, my fitness gone bad. I'm just, you know, my hand hurt, my leg hurt, my back hurt. Like, I'm out of breath. It's going good anyway. So let me show you the bike and let me show you some track footage. Let's go.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going through it. Okay, love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot it, I'm gonna shoot until I'm on, yeah, let's do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Hello. So we are after 2 sessions, and I gotta tell you, my legs, my back, and my arms are giving up. But first feel after the winter, you know, it's I'm getting used to the 600 again, because I was riding the let's say Hyper Naked 1000 on the street. So it's a little bit, it's totally different actually, you know, as the braking action, the cornering, trying to get low, knee downs. Like I put the knee down like on the first lap, but it's not the aim, you know. I don't know what my time is because the app in the phone is not working. We don't have lap times, so I have to check on TV or get it printed out. But first feel, I'm getting close, I'd say. I'm on the good way, and I feel fast, but I get overtaken a couple times. I went by 1000, so it's not that bad actually. And my 600 is keeping up with 750, so that's a good news. So still feeling strong after 20 years, but I'm gonna have some really good news in the near future. So keep watching, subscribe, like, comment if you've done the track day this year already, because this is my first track day this year. So yeah, everything's going good, and let's see some highlights.